In this quick video, I will show you how to easily increase the leverage of an opened position on Bitget. If you want to create an account and get the best sign up bonus possible on Bitget, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $8,000 of sign up bonus depending on how much you deposit and trade. You can receive all of these nice bonuses. Before starting out, I also wanted to quickly mention that you can try out the entire platform up here with the so-called demo trading feature. So before using your real money, I highly recommend you to check out that first. When you're signing up with the link from the description, you will also automatically get demo funds that you can use to try out the platform. So as you can see, I have this position opened right here. It's around about $1,200 big. I don't have any available capital anymore, but I want to further increase the position size. And how can I do that? I need to increase the leverage. So to increase the leverage, I can either go up here or down here and edit the leverage. And I can increase that to, let's say, an 8x leverage. If I click on confirm, you will see nothing really has changed so far. We've increased the leverage, but we don't have any available capital anymore, and we cannot really increase our position size. So our profits and losses would be in this point exactly the same. But what I can do now is just go down here and take something out of our margin. So our margin is our own capital in this trade. And since we increased the leverage, we don't need this entire margin of $250 in this position anymore. So I can just go ahead and here and go to decrease margin. And as you can see, I can take up to $100 out of this. So I'm just going to go ahead and take out all of it. As you can see, of course, it changes our liquidation price as well. But this doesn't really matter because this is mostly recommended when you're in a profit anyways. Maybe you have your stop loss somewhere in the profit anyways, so this liquidation price doesn't really matter to you anyways. So I can just go ahead and click on confirm right here. And as you can see, the position size is the same. My margin is now lower and I have $100 back available up here. And what I can do now with this $100 is just go ahead and open. Let's use all of it. Click on open long. Confirm, and now as you can see, I have my position up to $1,900. So the two steps are to increase your leverage, take some margin out, and then open a new position which will effectively add new capital to your existing trade to further increase the size. Don't forget to create an account on Bitget by using the link down from the video description to get the best sign up bonus possible, which is up to $8,000 of bonuses. Once you clicked on the link, you will get to this page. You can enter your details and start right away. If you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.